there, many wise kids! Are you ready for a mind-blowing adventure? Let's dive into the secret world of everyday things. What if I told you the stuff you see and touch every day isn't just stuff? What if they're actually superheroes in disguise, waiting to show off their amazing powers? You know that shiny stuff in your kitchen? Yeah, aluminum foil. It's not just for wrapping sandwiches. It can actually block phone signals. It's like a force field against invisible waves. How cool is that? Next, we have a regular glass bottle. But did you know it can help heat up water using sunlight? Or even clean dirty water? It's like having a mini sun-powered machine right in your hand. And don't forget about the toilet paper roll. It's not just for, well, you know, it can make your phone's music louder or turn into a megaphone. You could be the loudest kid on the block. Some kids just like you have found other cool ways to use everyday things. Got a cool idea too? We love to hear it. All these amazing tricks aren't magic, they're science. But don't worry, you don't need to be a genius to understand. It's all about looking at things in a new way. Scientists are always finding new ways to use everyday stuff. Maybe one day, we'll have clothes that clean themselves or paint that makes energy. How awesome would that be? Here is a question for you. What everyday thing do you think has a hidden superpower we haven't found yet? So, remember all the cool stuff we learned? The foil that blocks signals, the bottle that cleans water, and the toilet paper roll megaphone. It just shows that amazing things are all around us. Next time you look at something ordinary, think about what secret powers it might have. You could be the one to discover something incredible. Don't forget to tell your friends and family about what you learned. And keep watching for more mind-blowing videos about the world around us. See you next time. And keep watching for more mind-blowing videos about the world around us. See you next time.